sirens? Can you do faster?
No, we're gonna do study all sirens.
Okay. Do I do it?
Is that a house or is it a business? Okay. All right. then
He's
we're ready
watching
now.
the clock.
Yep. All right. So you're gonna click right there. So you're gonna put this mouse button right here.
Okay. When?
Here, we're gonna tell you when. Oh, don't move it. Go up just a little bit. And what caused it?
Tell me when.
Go. What caused
All
it?
right, let's check it out.
What caused the fire? There it
Oh
is.
my gosh. They're not one of those.
Dean.
Not one of those. Oh my gosh. You see it spinning up there?
Yep.
That is so cool. The wind up is sick. Oh, it's spinning. If I'm far away, it looks like it stopped. It's gonna go here in a minute.
Oh, it's still coming.
Let's
Going
see.
around.
Let's see.
Okay, it's gonna get loud. So be
Oh,
ready.
it's spinning.
It's gonna get louder in a minute. Right, there we go. That is just so sick. This siren's insane. Everybody's like, what the heck is going on right now, huh?
It's
I hope all
Dean's
your friends
birthday.
know that you were the one who set it off today.
Yeah, that was here to set it off. Wow.
And you get to see it moving around and everything.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome, Dean. Happy birthday.
And you got 1202 should shut off by itself.
It should turn off by itself. It runs for about almost a minute, I think.
Sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, it's sick. The wind up is cool. Is deep. You can. I heard you can change the chopper pitches.
You can change what?
The chopper pitches on it.
Oh yeah, the Doppler effect would
Get higher. Oh, it's turning. It's turning. It's getting closer. And
It really is pretty impressive.
I pressed it right on time.
Yes, you did. You watching to see how long it runs? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
Watching the clock?
How long is it gonna run for?
Probably about a minute, honey.
Yeah. So all the signs in the county are going off right now.
Not in the county. I think it's just the city. isn't
Yeah,
it?
all throughout the city. This is sick. It just blows my mind how
Hotel
they
trying to
work.
figure out what's going on.
Who is?
There's
Where?
people in the hotel looking out the windows
Oh.
across the way.
Trying to figure out what's going on. They're like, what the heck? They're probably checking to see what the heck is going on. I wish we can open up the windows in this.
Yeah, those don't open. On purpose. They don't want the dispatchers to escape.
When will it shut off?
I don't know.
Soon.
Probably
just keep
in
going.
Yeah. Probably in about 8, 7,
There
6.
it goes.
Now
Wow.
we know.
Yep.
Took that long.